Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with the Windows Media Player that has the wrong album information link. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. You just need to right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. In registry you just need to expand the HKey current user folder and expand the software folder and now expand the Microsoft and now expand the media player folder and now you just need to click on the tuner config. On right side you just need to double click on the value named as preferred metadata provider. Double click on it and in value data you just need to backspace everything in value data and select OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.